Here I have Motorola Moto G5S, and let me show you how to activate call waiting on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, tap on more icon and select settings. Here just click to call in accounts and pick yours. So in my case it's Virgin Mobile, but you can have any other carrier obviously. Go to additional settings, and here you can smoothly activate call waiting by tapping on the switcher, unless it is active obviously, but I will just turn it off, and here you can turn it on just like this, and from now on you will be notified about incoming calls during another one. So this is it. This is how you can activate call waiting. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.